Time now to check in on our weather forecast, and weather specialist Noor joins us. And Noor, so many of us are trying to get used to the fall weather. It's going up, it's going down. What can you tell us?
Yeah, I'm sure that's a common concern, I think, among many as we head into the second week of October now. It's a mixed bag across the country. Many are still seeing above average temperatures, although there is a bit of chill in the air for some. Let's take a look. Well, you can see there's a lot of temperatures on this map that are still fairly warm, above seasonal, really through large sections of Ontario, even into parts of Quebec, the east as well. Although a bit cooler in St. John's, Newfoundland, we're seeing also some high teens up in the prairies as well, 15 in Vancouver, and again some single digits up towards northern Canada. So it's not exactly cold per se for many, but it's not as mild as it was the past few weeks, and so that has been an adjustment for a lot of viewing regions in order to get accustomed to that October-like chill, although we're still above seasonal, as I mentioned, for most. Now here's a look at that system that has, by the way, made a long trek to get here, and it will continue through the evening. Heavy rain, Montreal, Trois-Rivières, later on in the evening, 10:30, 11, pushing to the east as we head into tomorrow morning and afternoon, and we're going to see that system continue to swirl as we head into especially Tuesday and Wednesday, and that's when it'll bring those heavy rainfall amounts to the east. So a lot of that activity as we head through Tuesday afternoon and into Wednesday morning, still kind of lingering over there, and through much of southern Quebec we're going to see the heaviest rain this evening and into tomorrow morning. But by then, as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, it's going to be on and off cloud cover, on and off showers with some sunny breaks. Hard to also ignore the snow that we're seeing in western sections of the province around La Sarre for one, and that'll make its way into the province by about Monday evening. So these totals are still initial estimates. By the time Wednesday morning rolls around 70 millimeters or so in Saguenay, 5 in Montreal, and 10 towards Mont-Tremblant. 9 overnight tonight over there, 9 in Latuque, and 8 in Thetford Mines. By tomorrow, well, still above seasonal in Montreal, a bit cooler in Mont-Tremblant. And as we head into the next few days, we were talking about above seasonal. What just happened? Wednesday and Thursday, you're going to need some extra layers over there. Temperatures dipping down below the usual. Will warm up by Friday and Saturday, but Sunday cooler, mainly cloudy skies.
Let's bring in weather specialist Noor Rafat.
Hey, thanks very much, Catherine. I think many people's thoughts right now, wasn't it just raining a second ago? What happened to that? We're seeing sunshine with our harbor cam, gorgeous views that really were different a few minutes ago. It is real, guys. It's not fake. The sun has come out, yes, after what was a very brief and quick shower and, well, maybe a thunderstorm or two in the GTHA. Here's a look at that cold front. It's been tracking to the east, and it should be really on its way out in the next half hour or so out of the Kawarthas and into eastern Ontario. And you can see with our visible satellite, as it's been tracking that direction, it's been leaving sunshine in its path. And by the way, these clouds are not fading. It's the sun that's fading, and so with it, our visibility of the clouds. The winds have picked up significantly, though, with this system, and we are still seeing some temperatures that are well above normal in Toronto, especially with the humidity in St. Catharines nearing the 30s. Tumbling temperatures around the Bancroft and Ottawa area just now, and also into Kingston, where it's getting cooler, the humidity also getting lower and lower. And as we head into the evening, we're going to see that rain continue heavy to the east, Ottawa, Quinte West, and the Trenton region, along with Cornwall. We're going to see some sunny breaks along with some showers tomorrow morning, but by the late afternoon, things clear up. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous with that sunshine for many across the map, southwestern Ontario to the east, but then we'll get another brief push of that rain late in the evening tomorrow and heading into the overnight hours into Tuesday morning. So much of the rain that we were going to see in Toronto has already passed. It'll be 12 degrees overnight tonight, increasing cloud cover but dry conditions. And by tomorrow, well, here is that colder air taking over. 17 degrees for your high, a mix of sun and cloud with a chance of showers. Kat?
Thanks, Noor. Time now to check in on our weather forecast, and weather specialist Noor joins us. And Noor, so many of us are trying to get used to the fall weather. It's going up, it's going down. What can you tell us?
Yeah, I'm sure that's a common concern, I think, among many as we head into the second week of October now. It's a mixed bag across the country. Many are still seeing above average temperatures, although there is a bit of chill in the air for some. Let's take a look. Well, you can see much of the country, or large sections, have been seeing still some warmer than average temperatures. In Ontario, the low 20s there, parts of Quebec and even into the east, mid to upper teens, although it's been cool in St. John's with some single digits, 18 in Saskatoon and Calgary, 15 in Vancouver, and again with those single digits up towards Whitehorse, and some cooler conditions as well through parts of northern Ontario. Tomorrow, cold air in Toronto as well. 17 for your high. That's down from what was 22 or 23 today. And we've got a lot of wind from the west-northwest, so this will definitely add a chill to the air, especially if you're under that cloud cover and not in the sunshine. It will feel a tad bit cooler. Now, 17 is still above average. Will it remain above average as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday? I'll save that information for a little while later. Here's that cold front rolling through, and as I mentioned, it'll turn into showers for much of our viewing regions into the early morning hours tomorrow, along with some sunny breaks. We're going to see things clear up by the afternoon, and then we get that push of rain late into the evening and in the overnight hours. Tuesday won't all be dry. We will see sunny breaks, but then we'll also see more precipitation rolling through, and at times heavier pockets of rain around Wyerton, the Barrie area, even into northern Durham region, and that will quickly transition into showers for Tuesday evening that will linger into your Wednesday as well. So it's a couple of days of precipitation on and off, along with some sunshine. And by the way, up in Timmins, we're going to be seeing temperatures sliding down to -2s, -3s, starting tomorrow into the overnights and early mornings. And so over there, we're seeing some wet snow rolling through the next couple of days. Can't say that I'm ready for that just yet in Toronto. We won't see that just yet in the GTHA for the next little while at least. 10 millimeters in Kingston, really 0 millimeters in Windsor by the time Tuesday evening rolls around. So a lot of us starting tomorrow we'll see the wardrobe changes take effect, mid to upper teens for much of us across the map. And then we bring in some more wardrobe changes. Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Thursday, below average temperatures. You'll need some layers there. 21 by Friday, still above seasonal on Saturday, and then cooler on Sunday with some showers. October. Hey, thanks very much, Catherine. Well, a calm night here in Toronto with a gorgeous view once again of our skyline, and we've got some clear skies to go along with it. Those have been clear since that cold front moved through earlier this afternoon and early evening. What we haven't managed to shake off, though, is some of these gusting winds from the north, now at 26 kilometers per hour. Here's a look at that cold front rolling through eastern Ontario just this evening, and still with some lingering showers towards parts of Sault Ste. Marie or around Sault Ste. Marie, and we've still got a lot of these winds blowing from the north, at times the northeast for many communities, so there is an overall chill in the air this evening. I will sound like a broken record saying this, but yet again, when you have a day where we're looking at above average temperatures really across the map, it's worth a mention. 25 in St. Catharines and in Windsor with the humidity earlier today. Things felt closer to the 30s, but we were starting to lose that humidity as the sun set, and also things started to cool down this evening as well. Now, the system may look like it's on its way out, but we're going to see some lingering rain here over the course of the coming days, and by tomorrow that'll mean shower activity for the GTHA with some pockets of sunshine. It'll clear out by the afternoon, so we're going to see gorgeous sunny skies actually for much of our viewing regions, and then we get another push of this rain very late into the evening, if not overnight, heading into Tuesday. So not a lot to worry about when it comes to the weather come tomorrow, and also as we head into the overnight tonight. Your temperatures, though, are going to be cooler, and here is that cool air rolling through Toronto. Winds from the west-northwest will make things feel a bit chillier. A mix of sun and cloud. Your high 17. Kat?
Thanks, Noor.